So this is Toad's Shop with Nabbit expansion pack for Lego Mario. Lego Mario is not included. This is the expansion pack. You have to get the starter set with Lego Mario first. This is a fun, simple little expansion set for your Lego Mario set. Built this with my 6-year-old son, and it didn't take that long, and he was able to do most of it by himself. I always love how Lego has the app where they can just use off of like an iPad or phone to build it. And if you have your Mario, you have him hooked up, you can go over to Nabbit, and he has a QR code on the back, and it shows it's Nabbit. And it shows you that you get different power-ups. And you're supposed to knock them over. You can see it just shows. So it's interactive play. It's really fun. And it's showing you what you get. You have this cart. There's Toad over here and his shop. He has some fruit and snacks. He has some toys. You have the cart. You can haul everything in. And what you do, there's another QR code here. And you pull Mario up. And then watch, you can get him. I'll do it again. You can take bites out of it, you see? Pretty funny. So overall, a really fun set, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.